Morning everyone. Our lesson for today is all about Philippines games. Laro ng lahi or traditional Filipino games are commonly played by children, usually using native materials or instruments. In the Philippines, due to limited resources of toys of Filipino children, the Filipino usually come up with inventing games without the needs of anything but the player themselves. The flexibility, capability of a real human to think and act makes the games more interesting and challenging. First is what we call Tumbanpresso. Tumbanpresso is a game also called Preso in Luzon and Tumba Patis in most Visayan region. It means hit the can. In English, it is one of the popular Filipino street games played by children wherein they use their slippers to hit a tin can at the center. Patintero, this is a popular game not only for kids but including adults. It is played not only in the morning but sometimes in the evening when it is full moon. You can use chalk or water to make lines. Rules of the game Patentero: make sure that you can cross the line without being caught or touched by the other group. The third one is what we call Basagang Palayok. Basagang Palayok, generally known as Piñata. Piñata, according to some scholarly articles, the game may have originated in China. During Marco Polo's stay in China, he found Chinese fashioning of figures of cows and buffaloes covered with colored paper and adorned with harness and trapping. The word piñata, which means fragile or fragile pot, also the Latin prefix piña, implies a cluster of flowers or fruits. The fourth one is what we call shato. Shato, the game needs one long or 1 foot and one short stick or 5 inches and a small hole in the ground. The start of the game, the base player places the short stick and horizontally across the hole. Position the long stick in the middle of the short stick and then hit the latter as strongly as he can or as he or she can to the directions of the opponent. If the opponent is able to catch the short stick, the base player loses the chance to advance further in the game and gives the base to the former. The fifth one is what we call the Luxontini. Luxontini, it is the popular variations of Luxontini wherein the one player crouches while the other players jump over him or her. The crouching player gradually stand up as the game progresses, making it harder for the players to jump over him or her. And that's the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for listening and keep safe.